Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use centrifuge. This is benchtop microcentrifuge made by Thermo Fisher. It has a latch or handle to open the lid. It has a timer to turn the machine on or off. It has a scale from 0 to 30 minutes. To use this centrifuge, you should use this type of centrifuge tube provided by the stockroom. It is plastic. Do not use other tube in your bin, for example, glass test tubes. One of the most important things about using centrifuge safely is that it must be balanced to prevent the vibration. First of all, put the liquid you wish to separate into a centrifuge tube. Do not pour all the way to the top, leaving the tube 1/3 empty. Then balance the centrifuge. Make sure the centrifuge is not spinning by looking through this small window here. Then you open the lid. If you are only centrifuging one test tube, you need to place another one opposite with equal weight of water. Please note, the counterbalance is by the mass, not by the volume. If you have two tubes, make sure you pour the equal amount of sample for each tube. Then put the tube opposite each other. If you have more than two tubes, put the tube opposite each other, but the only one opposite each other have to be equal in mass. You cannot pull these two together opposite each other. These opposite each other. After balance the centrifuge, close the lid to secure it. You should hear a click sound. Then turn the dial to the minutes you want. For example, 5 minutes. When you operate a centrifuge, you should never walk away from it. You should make sure the machine is stable while it is spinning. If you hear a big noise or it is vibrating, rocking around the bench, it is not balanced. You should turn it off immediately. Call your TA or stockroom personnel. Right now, the centrifuge is well balanced and spins smoothly. For demonstration purpose, in case you need to turn it off for some reason, you just turn this timer to the 0. You should hear a click sound. Then it will stop. After the time is up, do not open the lid immediately. You need to make sure the centrifuge has come to a complete stop on its own. You can check this by looking through this small window here. Then you open the lid. Never try to stop a centrifuge with your hand. Remove the tubes carefully to prevent remixing. Then you close the lid.